Good morning from the Kissimmee, Orlando, Florida area. We are on vacation, having the best time. It is day 8 for us. We've been here for over a week, doing all the things, having fun. We've got a big group, a big family staying in an Airbnb. Check it out. Here's our pool. I'm at the back of the house. We're just hanging out. Today is going to be a beach day. We're gonna drive about an hour and 20 minutes towards the Gulf of Mexico, and we're gonna hit up some beaches along there. Maybe visit Tarpon Springs, a cool beach town. Not sure, we're just gonna go check it out. Do maybe beach hop, I don't know. Let's check out some Florida beaches. All right, we're getting the cars packed up for our beach day. Here's the outside of our Airbnb. Check it. All right, we are going to get these people moving in here. Okay, let's see. Going upstairs.
What was the other one?
Not in the dryer right now.
Good morning, everyone.
Easton, let's go.
Are we all ready?
Yeah, I was gonna take the beach.
Come on, everyone, go. Shut your Mario Kart off.
Shut her down.
What's going on in here?
Shaving.
Shaving.
Put that slow-mo.
Yeah. Getting that going. Tristan, oh, Tristan is always just like neat and organized and folding and cleaning up things. Such a good man there.
What a good example.
What a good example. Yeah. Every time I see him, he's like helping and cleaning. It's something I just don't see.
Did you see that trick shot?
Easton, you ready?
Trick shot.
All right, let's go. You guys ready?
All right, we're driving. I'm sorry, honey.
Ready?
I can't control
Let's
that.
go. Let's drive. Come on. Sorry.
All right,
Yep.
ready? Hang on tight, bro.
Here we go. Beach
driving.
time. We have like, let's just say a 2-hour drive to the beach. 2-hour drive to the beach. There's Tampa, Florida, the big city. Well, it's not that big, but it's a city. Hi, baby girl. Taking a break. We're at a Jersey Mike's really close to Clearwater, but we're going a little past Clearwater Beach. We're going a little past that to Fred Howard Park, I believe.
Run into it. Well, if I get going really fast and we just dive in there.
We're gonna go right into.
We can go underwater inside the car. And it turns
Straight
into
ahead.
and it could turn into an octonaut spaceship.
Golf view.
Wow, these houses are like right on the ocean.
Here we are. We're heading towards it. Fred Howard Park. We're going in. Here it is. It says welcome.
8:30.
Closing at 8:30. Look out the window. Find a picnic table because we're in the park, guys. Here we are. Look at the palm trees. The coconut trees.
There you
Guys,
go.
here it is. Wow. Look at it. It's beautiful. Wow. That's the ocean, guys. That's where the sharks are.
Can you say
and the
Gulf of Mexico, no one?
dolphins.
There's gotta be a fishing pool.
Everything. It's beautiful.
This is probably where you
Yeah,
saw the
Luke's a
dolphin.
little scared. Yeah, they were jumping along our car. Here's our whole family. Getting out. We're checking out our first beach at Fred Howard Park. We're here. This is not the most desolate beach that we're wanting to try, but it's cool. Checking it out. We're gonna have a little picnic here with our Jersey Mike sandwiches. All right, we're here and we got settled in. Got ourselves sunblocked up. Miley's all sunblocked. She's got sand all on her, sticking to her sunblock. We ate our Jersey Mike, and just look at how beautiful this is. This is Fred Howard Park. They're all down there looking for some wildlife. They found a hermit crab already, and I think they spotted a stingray. They got their goggles and they're kind of snorkeling. We're staying here in the shaded area, right when you first walk in. Just keep some shade on Grandma. And Nolan, let's go down by the water. I'll take you. Here's the beach. It's got some seaweed on it, but seaweed grass or whatever it is. Not the nicest beach, but it is a little bit desolate. So that's what they were wanting, to come out and see some wildlife. Come over here by Lisa. Nolan, don't go back there. Come here. Right here. Here's Lisa. Ooh, the water is warm. It's not like Lake Michigan at all. Lake Michigan is freezing. They're seeing fishies. What have you seen so far? Yeah. It's salty and it smells, you know what this smells? Oh my goodness. My dad used to bring me here when I was a little girl, like all the time. When we would come down to Florida, it was a hot spot for us. And that smell, that fish smell coming off the water, just bringing it all back. We got boys fishing over here, getting their poles. Yeah. And look at these boys, having fun in the sand with Aunt Lisa. There's Brooklyn.
Pack it in there real good, okay? To show you my shell collection.
Oh, Brooklyn's been collecting shells. What'd you get? What wildlife?
That's like
It's an alien. It's like a
spider, water spider, dude. Seriously, don't let that get you.
Goodness. That is, oh no,
Like,
this is a predator.
Don't touch it.
Oh man, that's a sea monster.
That's like
a
from.
baby sea
That's like
monster.
from the thing.
It was crawling on me.
No, you know what that is? It's a sea monster that's a baby and it's gonna grow up really big and get you in the ocean. Here, put him in the
I
sand.
found it on the scrunchie.
Oh, here.
It was like sitting on the scrunchie.
Here.
Wait.
Hold on. Try to get rid of the water. I want to see if it crawls. Get rid of the water.
maybe it's supposed to stay in the water.
He's in there. He's in there.
It's like
What
a,
is that?
that is straight up like a sea spider.
What
Need to look that up.
is that?
It's got white on
Oh, can someone do your phone?
Look at it
Did you
go.
do it?
No,
But no,
it's
we
heavy.
want to see how big the legs are. That's what it is.
Huntsman spider?
No.
Oh, I saw it all the way stretched out.
It's a sea
It
spider.
looks like
It's
something from
creepy. It looks like a
The thing.
kraken. It's a kraken.
Oh,
All right. Oh, that is so cute. You put it in my hand for a second.
Gotta keep it in water. Oh, just upside down.
That's
Look
pretty.
at the starfish. Nolan.
There's ants.
They're moving. Oh, the ants. The ants. If you get an ant on you, they're red ants, and they
Look at the
just.
starfish.
Look at the starfish. Wait, it's alive. It's alive. We got to put it back in the water.
Go, we gotta go
Nolan,
put it back in the
look at this
Can't keep
starfish.
it out for too long.
water. Go put it back in the water.
Let's show Grandma. Let's show Grandma. Hold on.
Oh my goodness, isn't that awesome?
Okay, here you can. All right, just touch it real gentle. Just real gentle. Is it? What does it feel like? It's squishy.
Is it squishy? Oh, it is squishy.
It's because it's not hard. It's not dead. The dead ones are hard. All right, okay, that's good.
Go put it back. Brooklyn's gonna go put it
Let
back.
me feel it. Oh, he is. He's like bendy.
Yeah, he's moving.
Cool. I know. Building sandcastles. Oh, you found shells.
Keep digging there, and then making a chair.
Oh, keep digging.
Like a little back. There you go. Try
Oh,
that.
nice,
There you go.
Nolan.
And you back up into it. And you gotta make some armrests too, probably. Right there, but it needs water. Form it.
And here's Miley after the beach. What are you doing? Are you taking a little break, getting some hydration? Your brothers are in armed anglers. Nolan's sleeping as well. Miley's taking a little break up here after having fun at the beach. Huh. Now they're doing their fishing stuff. They're at a bait shop. Sponges! We're coming into Tarpon Springs. This is huge. It's like massive. It's just a town and it's kind of like an island a little bit. We're driving through Tarpon Springs right now, the main strip. There's just a lot of shops and the water is right over there.
Oh, wow. Dolphin, they do have dolphin cruises.
Dolphin cruise. Ooh, let's see how much they are.
Call and see what they want to do.
Spending the evening in Tarpon Springs. The little strip, the town we're shopping. The kids are getting little fun toys. Luke, what did you get? Luke got a fish egg, but what do you have around your neck?
A necklace.
A shark tooth necklace. And Nolan got, oh yeah, they're having fun with some little toys. They went to the toy shop. There's this is the sponge capital of the world because this is where they get all the sponges from the ocean. Bring them in daily, it says. And Lisa went sponge shopping. She got some sponges.
These are Brianna's.
Oh,
I got
let's
one.
see.
It's for your feet.
Oh.
It's got they have soap here too as well.
Oh, wow.
This one, because I'm a fat back, I need it.
No.
I can't read.
That is awesome. Let's see.
Try it out after my
Ooh,
beach
that would
day.
work.
Because now I'm all burnt,
This
so
is-
I think it would feel good on my skin.
Yeah. This is a real sponge from the ocean and they put it on a stick.
It's a fountain.
Yeah, barely.
It looks like they're holding the sun.
Is it
Watch out.
is this the Greek? The Greeks.
Watch out.
This is like a,
It's a Greek town.
oh yeah, it's like a Greek town. That's kind of what this is.
You come right here. The sun rays are going right through. Like it's our boat.
We are in Tarpon Springs still, and we're getting ready to eat at Rusty's. They say it's the best place to get fresh seafood. Right here. So we're hanging out in this little hangout.
Yeah,
And the kids are all looking at this ugly red snapper dead fish head. His eyes are bulging out.
No. I don't want you guys falling in. Stay back.
Brody. Look at his lips. Look at his lips. What do you think about that, Luke?
But how did that die?
Well, it looks like someone cut him up. Pina colada. Me and Luke are sharing it.
I will take this.
Oh, you'll take that? Okay, try it. Tell me.
Nolan wanted a bite of that.
Oh, can Nolan have a bite of it too?
He just wanted to have a bite of it.
The sun is setting.
And put these in the
Hi, Mai. She just goes back to eating Grandma's purse. Hi, sweet.
She was chewing on her bow and her water bottle and the purse. She likes that piece that hangs off of here.
Yeah.
That has the Lady and the Tramp. You like that piece, huh, honey?
All right, we're eating now. Yum. All right, here's the Rusty Bellies menu.
You get shrimp, then you get 2 sides.
Look at, there's just all this good seafood on here. I'm thinking about starting off with a seafood gumbo shrimp bisque. That looks good. There's salads. Here's the starters. They got peel and eat Gulf shrimp caught on their boat. It's served hot, and it's $15 for half a pound. I don't know. I might get that. Or I'm thinking about
I'm getting
fish and
boy
chips.
just because it sounds good. I'm not getting it. DJ, I'm not getting it.
Whoa, look at this bread and shrimp jumbo.
like a little bit of pink in the middle, no pink.
Hush puppies.
No pink.
Look at these shrimp. Whoa. Look at everyone's food. What did you get, Chase?
Pastrami.
A pastrami? Or a Cuban? Or what's it called?
Something like that.
A Cuban. Oh, he got a cheeseburger. I got the mahi-mahi, and I'm gonna eat it with malt vinegar. Dave, what is it? Brussels sprouts? What is that?
Shrimp po' boy.
A shrimp po' boy. Oh man, I gotta get the end of the table. Here's Ben's. He got a half, what is it?
Full crab.
Like a full crab. Ooh, he got the fish sandwich. Yum. What did everybody get over here?
Po' boy.
Oh, the po' boy.
I'm boring.
I'm boring, yeah. What is you?
Not is
Tristan got a burger. Ooh, Lisa. Shrimp. Grilled shrimp. Yeah, a little bit.
Megan, look at my plate.
Man, that is a huge steak.
We only had one side. It was so big. We'll be eating
And Joe, what is that? A big
chicken
And scallops and shrimp.
Ooh, mahi-mahi and scallops and shrimp. And
Tracy did salmon.
Ooh, the salmon looks good.
Well, Epcot is 17 per person.
Nice. Here's our parties. We got 2 tables. Moving on. Here it is. Shrimp, oysters, mullet clams, grouper, Gulf Coast.
It's the same as when I'm just picturing clams with mullets.
Yeah.
Look behind you. The sharks. How did everybody like their food?
Never come back here again.
Yeah,
It's very good. Very good.
Ben's still working on it. Look at that. He drew Pepe. Oh, look at Pepe.
Use these things to crack.
Leanna's working on a flower. It was really good. Very, very nice. Rusty belly. Rusty belly.
Check out this little alligator fish.
Oh. Yes, rusty bellies.
We're looking at the alligator.
What? That's not real.
Yes.
for sure fake. It's an alligator fish.